What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Holly, the Twister Sister. I'm bringing you new balloon animal tutorials every single week. And this week we are, of course, doing the 4th of July. Woo woo, fireworks. Alright, I have to take these off because there's this giant scuff on here and it's driving me crazy. Alright, so if you're new here and you like balloons, you probably want to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I put out new videos. And if you guys like what we do today, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to create more videos just like this for you guys. I'm Holly, the Twister Sister, and I help new balloon artists learn the art and craft of balloon twisting so that they can go forth and start their own balloon businesses and get paid to party. Today we are doing this super cute 4th of July red, white, and blue hat, and it's really easy, so this is a good quick one for long lines like there are at 4th of July events. Okay, so to make this awesome little 4th of July balloon hat, we are gonna need only 3 balloons. I've got a red 260, a dark blue 160, and a white 5-inch round. Now, instead of the 5-inch round white, there are so many fun balloons on the market that you could try with this. There are like red balloons with white stars, and you could just try up a whole bunch of different things. There's a lot of star print balloons out there. Get creative with the prints, but if you don't have anything special, we're just gonna be using a white 5-inch round, which everyone should probably have, and then we'll just be using a Sharpie brush tip to quickly draw on some nice fat red lines. And then of course, the magic to making this sit on your head is a headband. We're gonna need, I'm just using a plain clear 1-inch headband, and I'll put the links in the description for where you guys can get some of your own. Before we get started, I just want to make sure you guys know if you are doing a lot of line work events, which are very busy, fast-paced moving events and can be very stressful, I've created a guidebook to help you not be so stressed at those types of events. It's called the Line Work Guidebook. It is 6-7 pages of all my best tips and tricks from years and years of doing line work events and loving it. They were my bread and butter, and I absolutely would prefer to do a line work event almost over any other type of event out there. So if you want to know my secrets and all the tips and tricks and tools that I created to help things go smoother and easier for me, they are all here waiting for you in the Line Work Guidebook, and this is a free download. The link is down below where you can grab your own copy. So we're going to start this off with a bang and grab our red 260 and just inflate this guy. I'm going to do about 6 pumps on my green hand pump, and I'm leaving about a 2-inch tail there, and we're going to tie it off. Okay, and now I'm going to take my white 5-inch round, and I really wish they made square balloons for this because you could have a nice square top hat. But until that day, we will use the round balloons. So I've fully inflated my 5-inch round, and I'm just going to let out a tiny bit of air. And when you tie this, you want to try to get as long of a nozzle as you can so that we can tie it around our big, thick 1-inch headband. Okay, so I've got 2 of my long tails here, and I'm going to right off the bat attach it to my headband. I'm just going to take both those tails, wrap them around, and do a nice double knot so that they are attached like that. Now, if you're giving this to somebody to actually wear, you want to make sure that you cut off the excess part of these nozzles so that they don't get wrapped around into your customer's hair, because it's not a very nice feeling and they won't like it. Okay, so this is what we've got. We're going to take our red out the back, and we're just going to put a small round spacer bubble, and we're going to do a nice sized pinch twist here, which is another round bubble. Pull that bubble out on its own and twist it around. Woo, woo, woo. There we go. I'm going to wake up the kids. Okay, now we're going to just wrap our red balloon all the way around the base of our white balloon. You don't want it to be too tight though. It's really going to push the balloon up away from the headband. So just a nice circle around the bottom of the balloon. Aren't these clear headbands cool? You can like just see right through them and see exactly what the balloon is doing. I love it. Okay, so then once we've got it wrapped back into the pinch twist here in the back, I'm gonna open this up a little bit because they tend to go oval shaped. I want it to be more round. There we go. And now we're gonna squeeze out our balloon a little bit and just wrap it again right around our other red balloon. Okay, so that is making the brim of the hat there. And you, again, don't want it to be too tight or they're gonna wanna separate. You just want it to be tucked right around the outside of the inner circle, okay? Once you get back to the pinch twist in the back, you're gonna twist it in there. And there we go. Okay, now we can get rid of the rest of this. So just cut that off. Use your scissors if you need to. All right, and now you've got a nice little hat, and you could use this design for all sorts of holidays and themes, but that is the base. So then the next thing we're gonna do is just add our little blue 160. So I'm just gonna take my 260 pump and blow up my 160, just slide it on there, it's fine. And we don't need to inflate this one very much because we're not making any twist in this guy at all. Not even a pinch twist. What I'm going to do is just wrap it around the bottom part of my hat there, right above the red, and just let air out until my balloon is just long enough that the ends are touching and I can tie them together in a nice double knot. And now we have a super cute little hat. Now you could leave it like this, but I think it's a little bit cuter if you add some red stripes. You can go really thick or thin on these, whatever you think looks best. I'm all about going quick and being efficient, and so I'm just gonna take these Sharpie brush tips. They've got a nice big tip there so you can really lay it down on its side and make as thick or as thin of a line as you want to, and just go all the way around your balloon until you've got it how you want it. All right, and that is the super cute 4th of July little party hat. Now, I did want to show you guys something else that's really fun. You guys know I love adding bling and extras to my balloons. And for the 4th of July and special events and holidays, I always like to have special stickers on hand just to make everything a little bit more special because it's a special time. So I found these really cute shiny star stickers in Walmart the other day, and I think it would be so fun to just add a few of these, maybe around like the brim of the hat, and just dress it up a little bit. Make it super duper extra fun and blingy. Okay, see how that just adds a whole nother level to this design, and it really did not take me that much time to add those, and stickers are cheap. You can make your own stickers if you have one of those vinyl cutter things. So that is it for this tutorial. If you guys like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, make sure to pop that subscribe button for me so you get notified every time I put out a new video every Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I would love to see photos of your 4th of July hats this week over in our free Facebook group. The link to get there is in the description below, and we have a thread there where you can post all your pictures and see everybody else's pictures in one place, get some inspiration, and see what other people are doing. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me on this Tuesday, and I'll see you guys back again next week, same time, same place, for another Tutorial Tuesday. Have a happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye.